Okay, first I have layered in the white chocolate bark. Next I'm going to add the peanuts. Now these called for honey roasted peanuts, which would be delicious, I am sure. However, I am allergic to honey, so I thought that would probably not work well. Although, in retrospect, had I done that, there would be a guarantee I would not have eaten on this stuff. But I'm going to put the peanuts in, and they're just going to start melting into the chocolate. And we wait. Oh, so patiently. It's been about an hour, and I'm stirring it up. Mix it up nicely. I'm going to let it sit for another hour, and then I'm going to add the M&ms. Let's see if everything's melted now. Looking good, looking really good. Okay, I think it's time to add the goodies. And here they go. Don't they look delish? And we're gonna mix that in. And we're gonna let them sit for just a bit. I'm a little hesitant, but because I've never used them with full candies like this before. But don't they look cute? Also Eastery. Yum. I really should have gotten the honey roasted peanuts so I wouldn't be tempted to eat this stuff. Okay, so we're just gonna scoop some out. And layer them. And of course my parchment paper decided to be a booger. I was tempted to get the M&ms that had the Rice Krispies inside. You know, the crispy ones. I truly was tempted, but they didn't have the pretty Easter colors. They only had a few of the pretty Easter colors, so I decided that was not a good option. So, I'll be right back when I finish. We have them all laid out. I'm glad I only did a partial batch. This is sort of a remix of my Crockpot crack candy that I make. Now for the piece de la resistance. Sprinkles! Doesn't that just add a nice little festive touch? Whoops. Somebody's going to be happy with that one. And there you have it. Easter candy that would look nice in an Easter basket, or you could carry it up to a family event. It's very festive, very delicious, and how can you go wrong with M&Ms and sprinkles and nuts and chocolate?